Most people who wanted to make money from the TikTok Creator Rewards program have now lost hope. This is mainly because of two issues they don't know how to solve. First issue, many people say,
TikTok's requirements are too hard. I've tried so many times but haven't reached 10k followers or 100,000 views, and all my videos barely get 300 views. How can I meet these goals like others do?
The truth is, if you understand how TikTok's algorithm works, you'll be able to succeed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how, plus an extra smart way to start earning with TikTok even before you reach the program requirements. Second issue, people also say,
I'm in a country that doesn't support the TikTok Creator Rewards program. Even if I managed to get a French or US account, I'd eventually have to verify my ID, and I don't know anyone in the US or France who can help me with this. I'm also worried that if TikTok finds out I use someone else's information, my account will be banned and I'll lose all my hard work.
Well, I discovered a way for you to earn money with your own personal information from any country, and TikTok will accept you into the program and enable earnings on your videos without any issues. Stay tuned until the end to see how, along with proof. Please support this video with a like, it's a valuable resource, and if you enjoy content from Mr. Minato, subscribe and turn on notifications. First, reaching 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on TikTok quickly is not that difficult. You just need to focus on these key points. Choose the right niche and follow trends. Picking the right niche is one of the most important steps to succeed on TikTok. It defines your target audience and increases your chances of appearing on For You page. For example, if quick recipes or home workout trends are popular, you can create content that aligns with these trends. A real example is the trend around quick healthy recipes, which attracted millions of views and spread widely across the platform. For gaming, popular choices now include Free Fire, PUBG, and Bloodstrike, which you can leverage. In sports, football is always a big field, and you can ride trends, like creating reaction videos or highlights from popular matches like Real Madrid versus Barcelona. These are just a few examples. There are thousands of ideas out there, so stay up to date on current trends and adapt them in your unique way. Create unique and engaging content using editing tools or AI. Every video should have a strong hook at the beginning, a captivating intro that grabs viewers' attention in the first few seconds. This is key to boosting viewer retention, which helps your video reach a wider audience. For example, start your videos with something intriguing like,
You won't believe how this place changed.
For editing, you can use tools like CapCut or AI-based software like Clipwise. Check out previous videos for tutorials on creating videos with AI. Use catchy titles and descriptions aligned with TikTok algorithms. Titles and descriptions are the face of your video. Use relevant keywords that people search for, and add trending hashtags connected to your content to boost your video's visibility. Simple titles like Top Tips for or How to Master Us work well. To achieve all this success, you can benefit from Shopless.net, which is not an editing software but a comprehensive tool that helps you improve your content. Whether you're a marketer or a content creator, Shopless.net provides you with many useful tools such as, for marketers, get information about the best-selling products, access data on stores selling trending products, helping you optimize your marketing strategy, analyze popular brands and use that information in your marketing campaigns. For content creators, discover trending TikTok content, making it easier for you to produce videos that align with current trends. Get detailed data on your target audience and similar creators, allowing you to tailor your content more effectively. Whether you're looking to sell your own products or want to join the TikTok Creator Rewards program, Shopless.net is a powerful tool that supports you in achieving your goals and attracting more followers and views. I'll now show you how to practically pick your next video content idea using Shopless. I'm currently in the program, and the section that will be most useful for finding ideas and starting content creation is the viral video section. This section shows you trending videos that, even though their creators have less than 5,000 followers, still have over 10,000 likes. That means you'll find tons of videos with high views, despite the low follower count. These are proven successful ideas. You can study video after video to find the right content. Let's choose a random video. It's a football video that gained 21 million views in under a month. Even though the page only has 3.5k followers, we can click on the video to analyze it. You can watch the video, get an idea for your own content, and even copy the title and hashtags as they play a significant role. So now you have a content idea with minimal effort and can start making a similar short video. With your own tweaks, of course. You can even analyze this creator's page on Shopless to understand their strategy better. I also found trending videos in niches like fitness, cooking, and making money online. You can select videos from specific categories you're interested in, like gaming, and there's a huge amount of content to explore. After studying these, I found that Fortnite and Call of Duty also have very strong support on TikTok. There's also a section for popular hashtags. Pick the best ones in your niche and add them to your video descriptions. You'll notice the difference. So far, we've only looked at content creation, but the most exciting feature of this website is its ability to show you the best-selling products on TikTok. While working towards meeting the requirements of the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you can promote these products and earn commissions without having to own them. This is called affiliate marketing. All you need to do is sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or eBay Affiliate. Then, you can copy the product link and start promoting it via regular TikTok videos or paid ads. You can also join the TikTok Shop affiliate program, but it has its own set of requirements. Additionally, I believe you can't be part of both the TikTok Creator Rewards program and the TikTok Shop affiliate program on the same account. You'll have to choose one. However, if you want to do both, you can create 2 separate TikTok accounts. So if you want to earn from the TikTok Creator Rewards program and also engage in affiliate marketing, you can join external platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and eBay, as mentioned earlier. The secret to success is choosing the right product for your audience, and Shopless specializes in this. Once you go to the Products section, then click on Top Sales and choose a time range, for example, the past day, you'll see which products are selling the most. For November 12th, 2024, the top selling product is shown. Health, fitness, and dietary supplements always dominate the top spots. So if your content is in this niche, this is a great opportunity to make thousands of dollars. You'll also find statistics about this product at the bottom of the page, along with related videos and the earnings of people promoting it. You can view the top performing videos and get some great ideas. There's also a section called Relevant Influencers, which lists the best creators who have promoted this product. You can sign up for Shopless using the link in the description box or the first comment. Everyone can try it for free, but to access all the details and more features, you'll need to subscribe to the site. So far, we've discussed tips for meeting TikTok Creator Rewards requirements, how Shopless can help you find successful products, and how you can earn by promoting products through platforms like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. You can also earn directly on TikTok by joining the TikTok Shop affiliate program, but as I mentioned, you'll need a separate account for that. For those of you who say, I'm in a country that doesn't support TikTok Creator Rewards or TikTok Shop affiliate, I want to tell you that TikTok will accept you into the program and enable earnings on your videos, even if you use your real personal information from your country. Once you meet the requirements with the TikTok account, like a French account for example, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Some people think you need to use French documents because your account is French, but that's not the case. Just click on Verify Identity, upload one of the required documents, such as your national ID, and TikTok will accept it. For example, this person, even though he's from Morocco with a French account, uploaded his Moroccan ID card, and after 3 days his account was successfully approved. Thank you all, and I hope this information was helpful. I'm Mr. Minato, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You can find the link to Shopless in the first comment. Thanks again.